Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly update with ITPro Today. I'm your host, Nicole Henderson, and this is the show where every week we sit down to talk about the week's top tech headlines and why they matter to IT pros like you. It's March 1st, and that means RSA conference is right around the corner. We've got loads of security content to catch you up on, and we'll be at the event next week as well, so stay tuned for that. This week was Mobile World Congress in Spain, and we've got some news around 5G technology and whether it's going to live up to the hype. Stay tuned for more. It was a big week in the security sphere and Microsoft's world as the company announced a new security information and events management service called Sentinel. The service, which uses AI to detect security threats and offers built-in orchestration tools to remediate them, is significant because Microsoft has designed it in a way that it can be used for all users, applications, infrastructure, on-premises, as well as in multiple clouds, which means it's serious about providing security solutions for our multi-cloud world. Expect to hear more about this news story, as well as others next week, as ITPro Today covers the conference live. The first 5G networks are launching this year, but there's still a lot of hype that may not necessarily match up with real expectations. A Bloomberg report this week argues that 5G technology won't actually see its full potential until it's implemented in smart factories and on the power grid. I'll link that story below, as well as more of our coverage on 5G. That's it for this week. Thank you so much for joining us, and be sure to check us out at itprotoday.com, where you'll find all the latest updates and news, especially as we're tracking into RSA conference next week. If you're traveling to RSA, safe travels, and I'll see you here next Friday. Thanks again. Have a great weekend.